We're the Force of Nature. I'm Ryan Forges.
I'm Ryan Steves.
I'm Lauren Murphy.
I'm Carly.
I'm Zoe.
And we volunteered at Notchview Trails.
We are working with the Trustees of Reservations at their Notchview location in Windsor, Massachusetts, which has become a very popular cross-country skiing destination since the Trustees acquired the land in 1965.
We started our day by driving with Cosmo to the specific areas where we would be putting up snow fences. Me and Ryan were even lucky enough to be able to drive the UTV. Snow fences are barriers that force wind-blown and drifting snow to accumulate in a desired area, a term called snow farming. They play a crucial role in these types of landscapes as they catch the snow, reduce overaccumulation, and allow for usage in areas consisting of less snow. With global warming causing less snowfall coming down every passing year, this is a big deal.
To make snow fences, we used a post driver to put in metal poles into the ground roughly a foot deep. Then we unrolled the slats and wire, which are used to stop the snow from being blown across the fields, making them barren. Finally, we used the string to fasten the slats to the posts.
Carly wasn't able to make it to Notchview with us today, so let's check in on what she's up to.
Hi, I'm Carly, and I traveled to Lockwood Forest in Boxford, Mass. to pick up trash. Lockwood is a scenic area where the community gathers to walk their dogs, go for a run, and even fish. It also happens to be the prime hangout spot for teenagers, as you can see by all the trash. So I took the pleasure of getting back to my community and picked up all the trash that had been left behind.
And now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Since 1891, the Trustees of Reservations has been focused on protecting special places in Massachusetts so that people can enjoy the beauty of nature. Notchview has over 3,000 acres of land. Nordic ski and hiking trails wind all around through the woods and the fields. Originally, the land was a potential settlement for Europeans in the early 1800s. Lieutenant Colonel Arthur Budd acquired the land for one big estate.
So Notchview was owned by Arthur Budd. He was at one time the most decorated war veteran in the United States. It was gifted to the trustees in 1965. We have a mission that was started in 1891 to provide access, public access for properties that have scenic, ecological, cultural, or historical value to the Commonwealth.
We learned that there's a lot of work needed in a conservation area over different seasons, especially in an area like Notchview, where there's a lot of ski traffic. Climate change affects the quality of snow for skiing. As Cosmo said, areas with more wind blows the lighter snow away, exposing underlying ice, making it tougher for cross-country skiers to ski. To combat this, people like Cosmo put up snow fences to catch this flyaway snow to counteract the climate change effects and provide a decent snow for cross-country skiers.
By installing the snow fences, we made Notchview a better place for skiers and hikers alike to enjoy the land more effectively in the wintertime.
We found our volunteering experience super fun and rewarding, especially because we got to play with some goats.